I will show you guys how I used this particular tea tree oil to get rid of my pimple overnight. So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite girl in the beauty. If you're stopping by for the first time, you're welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for sticking around. So if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, do tap the subscribe button down below to get subscribed to my channel for more skincare tips, okay? And if you end up enjoying this video, please don't forget to like. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys how to use tea tree oil for your pimples, your acne, your spots and blemishes. So if you're interested in treating your pimples, your acne, spots and blemishes, just keep on watching. So what most people don't know is tea tree oil is an essential oil with lots of benefits for the skin, okay? This tea tree oil, it can be used in treating various skin conditions. It improves overall appearance of the skin. So this oil right here is more but mighty. It's antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory, which makes it a good choice in treating acne. It penetrates the skin, like it goes into your skin and unclogs your pores. It calms redness of the skin, swelling, inflammation. It helps to prevent and reduce the appearance of scars on the skin. Meanwhile, there are various precautions you need to take before using the tea tree oil on your skin. So if you want to use this tea tree oil on your skin, you have to take the following precautions. Number one, do not apply tea tree oil directly on your skin. Do not apply tea tree oil directly on your skin. Do not do that, okay? It can irritate your skin, especially if you have sensitive skin. If you want to apply tea tree oil to your skin, you have to mix tea tree oil with a carrier oil such as olive oil, coconut oil or almond oil. Any of the carrier oils, you need to mix 1 drop of tea tree oil to 12 drops of carrier oil before using the tea tree oil on your skin, okay? If not, it will irritate your skin. So the next thing I will always advise you to do is always do a patch test when you get a new skincare product. So if you're going to be using tea tree oil on your skin, please do a patch test. Take little amounts of the tea tree oil and apply it to you somewhere on your skin to test if your skin will react to the oil. If it does not react to the oil, that means you're safe, you can use it. But if your skin reacts to the oil, if you see any form of rashes or you get some skin reaction, you need to stop using that particular product. So before using any product on your skin, always do a patch test. The directions for use that is written on the body says apply 1 or 2 drops of neat oil to a cotton wool swab or board, then gently apply as required. Caution: for external use only. Keep away from eyes. Asthmatics should not inhale. If you suffer from epilepsy, skin allergies. So those are the directions for use and the cautions to take before using this. This is not for pregnant women. So this oil cannot be used by an asthmatic patient. If you're asthmatic, please avoid this particular tea tree oil. Avoid inhaling it, okay? So it's not good for asthmatic patients, pregnant or kids under 1 year. With that being said, I will show you guys how I used this particular tea tree oil to get rid of my pimple overnight. So I had this particular pimple that was here. That was, if you saw my last 2 videos or last video, you saw a pimple that was here as at when I made those videos. So I do have all those hormonal pimples that do come out, like once it's that time of the month, I'll have hormonal pimple like coming out like this, in like 1 or 2 pimples appear on my face. I do allow my hormonal pimples to go by itself. So when I had this one, it was actually painful, so I decided to try out the tea tree oil on it. Okay, so I actually used this tea tree oil to get rid of my pimple overnight. Like, I was shocked. So what I did was, after having my night shower that night, I went in with my moisturizer to moisturize my whole face. Took a drop of my tea tree oil. So this is how the tea tree oil is. So I took a drop of this tea tree oil, just as you can see, and then applied the tea tree oil spots on my face, that particular spot. So when I woke up in the morning, the pimple had dried down, basically dried out the pimple the next morning, but there was this particular spot. Like, so I tried to like still apply the tea tree oil the next night to see if it would get rid of the pimple scars, like to see if it would work. So maybe I'll still like keep you guys updated on whether it works, like totally takes out your scars. This actually dries out your pimples, but for the scars I will not say it takes it out, like 100% takes it out. I'm still like trying it out to see if it actually works for scars before doing a video for that. So I'll keep you guys updated. So that is basically it. This tea tree oil works very well in treating or getting rid of your pimples. So for now, you can basically use this to treat your pimple, get rid of your pimple overnight, depending on the severity of your pimple. So I would say spot treat. If you don't want to spot treat, you can mix this with a portion of your moisturizer, your face moisturizer. Apply it at night. This tea tree oil will take down your acne. So if you're using this to treat your pimples or your acne, always use it like once a day. So that will be it for this video. So if you enjoyed watching this video, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more skincare tips, and see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.